Then we'll come to see the code. Here are all the files of the project. First we'll see the application.py, which is the Python file for the application, contains all database models and site essential functions, such as here is login, register, and the important route. And then comes the create.sql, which is used to create a table to store the information of user. And then is index clustering. This is actually the results of the clustering process of ArcGIS. It actually needs some time to process. So here are the results. Here are the results of the cluster. And then we'll see the HTML part. First, we'll see to layout. These two are the mainly contains the navbar part, which is the black label on the top. And then home and home 2. These are the traffic volume flow map page. Here we imported leaflet, and here is the traffic volume part. This is also the same. And then here are two HTML for traffic incidents. Here is leaflet, overlapping, marker cluster. And then we'll see the login and register. Here login will input username, password, and for register page, we need to import first name, last name, username, and password. And then these two are the message alert page. Here is error, and here is submit successfully. And then comes the most important route. Here we imported Mapbox turf. And this is also the traffic volume part. And then comes the SAS file. Here home.sas for home.html, login for login and registration, and route for route, and style for show, which is the traffic incidents part. And next comes the JS file. Here also home for home, which is the traffic volume part. Here is imported the map, and here is imported the navigation control, which is the zoom control and the navigation control. And then here is imported the traffic volume information. And here is show, which is the traffic incidents part. First imported the map, and then here is solving the overlapping and cluster part. And the last is route, which is also the same. Import the map first, and here is import the traffic flow map information. And then here is imported directions and imported the clustering results, which is 38 points in total. And then comes the turf part. And here is adding the message alert part. And the last part for images. Here is only an image for the background of login and register page. Not so important. So here we will see the how to use the web page now. Well, after running application.py, we can get the link, pasting it into the browser. We'll get to the route design. Well, here you can see the traffic volumes flow map of Calgary. Well, here blue, green, red, and orange all represents different traffic volumes. Here is the navigation button, zoom in and zoom out. And here is a drop down. You can click incidents to see the traffic incidents information of Calgary. Oh, sorry, something wrong happened just now. Well, here the number represents the number of incidents in the area. You can get more points by clicking the number. And here is the overlapping part. And you can also get back to the traffic flow map by clicking this. And then we can click this to get to the login page. And if you are new to the page, you can click don't have account here. And you can register. Submit. And we can get the message submit successfully, and we can return to the login page and use the account we just registered. And now we get to the route design page. Well, here you can see the information of traffic volume flow map, and here are the points of traffic incidents. You can see the risk level and the number of incidents by moving your mouse to the point. And in order to get the route, you need to choose your starting place and destination by clicking this on the screen. Well, the first point to click is A, starting point, and the second is B, the destination. Well, from A to B, there is only one route, and you can also delete the point and choose another. Well, these two route doesn't go through the obstacle, so these two routes are all good. And you can see the details of the two roads. Here is how to get from A to B. And you can switch route by clicking the button here. Well, here is the information for driving, and you can also see the information for traffic and walking and also cycling. Well, the route actually, this route goes through an obstacle here, so the route 1 is bad. And in this page, you can also get the traffic flow map and the traffic incidents page. And if you end up using the website, you can choose log out and you can get to the home page again. If you want to use the route design again, you still need to log in. And there is also another function here. Here is the nav bar, you can see the title and the home and login. When you shrink the window, these two disappear and you can get these through clicking the button here. Well, so that's the end.